Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Faith and Flower. This is Robin. Today I have a to-do list that I want to get done, so I am going to try to accomplish it power hour style. So I'm setting my timer for an hour and I'm going to see how many things on my list I can get finished. The first item on my to-do list is to straighten up the kitchen. I also received a box from Grove Collaborative of a few items that I wanted to unpack, so I'll do that too, put those things away, and then throw the packing in the recycle bin. I will put my Grove Collaborative referral link in the description box below. If you decide to try out Grove Collaborative, you can receive a 5-piece gift set for your first order, and you can try out some of these great products for yourself. The kitchen is finished, and so I can check that off my list. I wanted to finish up the load of laundry that I had started this morning. I washed all of my Norwex cloths separately. I do this because I don't want the Norwex cloths to pick up any lint from towels and other things in our wash that would cause them to be ineffective. I'm also going to grab everything I need and take it back to our bedroom to get the ironing done. If you've watched my 10-item wardrobe video, you'll know that this denim skirt is not one of the items that I chose for my summer wardrobe. So I wanted to wash it, iron it, and hang it up and store it until I decide to use it for another season, probably in the fall. I don't have a lot of things to iron today. Besides this shirt of my husband's, I just have a small stack of napkins to iron, which are actually kind of fun to do, and it won't take me long to get all of this done. My iron decided to act up a little bit today, and that's why you see those water spots on my husband's shirt. I only use distilled water in my iron so that it doesn't get clogged with the minerals from the hard water that we have here. But even so, once in a while it decides to act up, and that's okay because the water spots will dry and everything will be fine with the shirt. My next item on the to-do list is to steam my dress. And I'm using this Tinswall steamer, which is a travel steamer, and it's very handy to use. This dress is silk, and I do wash it myself, and it comes out great. And I find that just giving it a little bit of a steam will get all of the wrinkles out, and it's just as fresh and beautiful as if I'd paid to have it dry cleaned. I use a delicate wash detergent that comes from the Laundress, and I will have that linked below under my essentials in the description box below. I find that this works great on silk, and I save so much money. So that's 3 more items off my to-do list. The last thing on my to-do list is probably the thing that will take the longest. I always enter all of our receipts into a program. We use Quicken, and I like to keep track of all of our bills so that we know exactly where our money's going. I also have some bank statements to balance and things like that, so I will use the rest of my power hour to get those things done. This big notebook is our household binder, and I use it to keep track of all of our bills. So if you're interested in that, I can show you in a later video. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see a household binder video.
Around the sun, say the word and we can say the word.
Now the last item on my list is done. I actually got everything on my list done with 54 seconds to spare, which makes me really happy, and it's such a productive way to get things done when you set your timer for a half an hour or an hour and just start working on your checklist. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family. Thanks so much for watching.